Good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking on today's video. So I thought I would start off today. It's just going to be a very small vlog because I'm finally in the age of coronavirus doing something interesting. I'm going out today to go and have a look at some houses. So I know that it is going to seem just like a little bit strange because I am, as some of you might know if you watch my previous video, doing up my house renovations and stuff in terms of getting a pergola outside. It is now finished and it looks absolutely fantastic. I'm running late, as usual, to my inspection appointments, so I will come back and film the pergola outside to let you know how I got it all together, and then I'll also catch you guys up on how I went with the house inspections. But basically, I know it's really strange to do renovations and then go and basically like go and look for new houses and move out of this one and go into a fresh one. And the reason for that is because this current house is a terrace house. So I guess for, you know, maybe English viewers, it's called a townhouse, and maybe in American it's like an apartment kind of thing. And basically it's got 3 levels, and because of Shadow, which he is over here resting, you guys can see this is the kind of update for him. He's in a cone now. He's got his surgery is actually he went really well. His surgery was actually to his knee up here, but now he has an infection here and he has an infection down here as well, so we've had to bandage that up. He's such a naughty boy, and okay, I won't touch it. He's such a naughty boy, and every time we leave him alone he's able to maneuver outside of his cone and somehow start itching and scratching at the bandages. And I don't know, we're going to take him to the vet tomorrow, and basically we have to take him every 2 days to the vet. It's actually heartbreaking and also really expensive. But that is my long-winded way of saying, of explaining why we are moving houses. So I started the renovations a while ago, a few months ago, and that was obviously before this stuff with Shadow happened. And I committed to the renovations, and I thought, you know what, might as well, if I'm going to sell this house, I might as well get the renovations done because it will just up the value of the house. So I'm getting the renovations done, but then this whole Shadow thing happened, the surgery, his injury, and so I basically now need to find a house that's 1 floor, so 1 story on the ground, no stairs because Shadow can't do stairs, big backyard. We don't actually have a big backyard, and I will show you later on in this video, we don't have a big yard because we're so close to the city. And so yeah, like me and my partner Yoshi talked about it, and it's just the most appropriate thing to do is to actually go and find another house that is more suitable for our lifestyle. I love this house. I have finally made my closet exactly the way that I like it, exactly the way I want it. I finally have a beautiful entertaining area in the back, but unfortunately the timing is just not quite right. So we're going to go inspect some houses, and if we do find something, then we might pull the trigger. But yeah, it's like, it could potentially be a long way off. We might still be in this house for another year. The original plan was to stay in this house for a year and then look for places next year, because obviously Shadow's technically considered geriatric, but he is still quite young. He's 7-8 years old, so he's still quite young. He still can maneuver. He's still got a few good years ahead of him, so we thought we'd stay in this house for 1 more year, and then we would move next year. But we thought we'd start looking anyway, because obviously with coronavirus the market has been going downhill, which is really good for us. So before I head off to my inspections though, I wanted to show you guys my outfit. So I am very not done up. I have just your basic foundation and some concealer and the Chanel bronzer as well, which is absolutely fantastic. I highly recommend to anybody who is looking for a bronzer. The Chanel one is so freaking fabulous. It gives I don't know if it's coming up on the screen properly on the camera, but in person it gives it like a beautiful glow, and it's really natural, and it just kind of elevates my whole skin. Looks dewy but not oily, and it just looks really healthy, and I absolutely love it. So just foundation, bronzer, a little bit of concealer for my hyperpigmentation in this and this area. Nothing on the eyes and nothing on the lips because we're going to house inspections and I don't really want to like freak people out. So you can see my outfit also. Ooh. My outfit also is very, very simple. So I am wearing a t-shirt underneath, my Hermes H pendant here in 18 karat gold. I have my Cartier ring also in gold to match, which also goes with the gold hardware on my Pochette Matisse. And then I have my Dior jumper that I got from a secondhand store in Japan when I went there. An amazing trip. I love Japan. I don't think I've vlogged the Japan trip. Anyways, so I got this in Japan. Japan was such an amazing place. If anyone can go, I highly, highly recommend that you do. But I got this there. Such an incredible jumper. And it's really, really simple and plain with just your Dior B here. And I think it looks fabulous. For my pants, I am wearing my Acne, what you call it? I guess it's just Acne denim, like the brand is Acne, yeah, it's just a really nice pair of white jeans and I think it looks absolutely stunning. And for my shoes, today I am going to be wearing my Alexander McQueen boots. I just realized that, you know, winter is like 2.5 months done and I haven't worn boots at all because I just haven't been going out and I just haven't really had an opportunity to go out, so yeah. Anyways, just these are my Alexander McQueen boots and I think that they're so freaking pretty. They have on the sides, I'm not sure if you guys can see because it's kind of like embossed into it, but there's like a sun and a star and a moon pattern there, and it's just kind of woven into the leather and it just looks really, what's the word? I can't think of the word right now, it's like on the tip of my tongue, but I'm just trying to say that it's kind of like Hermes bags where it's like very plain, very simple, and just looks really, oh, what is the word? It's really annoying me, but anyways, I'm having a massive mind blank right now. But yeah, it's not like really overtly in your face, it's kind of just very laid back, and very, yeah, just very plain but classy at the same time. But anyways, yeah, so you can see my outfit is very, very simple today. So yeah, okay, so I wanted to, yeah, just show you guys, kind of give you guys a little catch up to what's happened in my life so far, and also show you guys my outfit because I love kind of sharing my fashion choices with you guys, and I kind of want my channel to kind of be fashion centric because I really want to share my choice of style, my sense of style with everyone. I like to think that it's quite unique, and I have a feeling that there's a lot of people out there who don't feel quite comfortable dressing and being who they are, and I think that's really important. So hopefully I am able to reach out to people and inspire you guys to just be yourself and however that may be. And you know, clearly me, you know, I'm comfortable with who I am, and you know, I'm wearing heels and I'm not afraid to show that to the world. So I have to run now because I'm so late to my appointments, and then I will come back and I'll show you guys my finished pergola, and then we can catch up, and I think that'll be it because that's kind of the end of the interesting things that's happening in my life at the moment. So I'll see you guys in just a little bit. Whew, okay, so guys, I am back from the house inspections. Oh, okay, I guess it's good news because I am not moving because the houses were a huge disappointment. I guess it's been a long time since I've been in a position where I needed to go and look for houses, and I guess I just forgot that photography is a huge thing. Like, the photos on the houses that we looked at looked amazing. Everything looked clean, everything looked like new and fresh and just really well lit. And then when you get there, it's kind of like, oh my god, this is completely different. And yeah, we just kind of felt like we got catfished a little bit. But yeah, so long story short, houses did not look good. Our criteria at the moment is to kind of find a place that's really similar to our current house. So we want 3 bedrooms minimum, preferably 4, and obviously more than that would be great, but 3 or 4 bedrooms, and 2 bathrooms, and you know, we want our dining room, living room standard But yeah, and we just want like one floor. And so, you know, when you have all of those rooms on one floor, the house is going to be really, really big. So we're actually, and we want a big backyard. So the houses we're looking at are going to be away further from the city, because obviously as you get further from the city, the land sizes increase. Yeah, so we're currently looking just suburbia Sydney, I guess. But yeah, so unfortunately we haven't found any places that were good. Anyways, what I really wanted to show you guys is the pergola, because it's done now. And yeah, so okay, so let me give you guys a quick tour of the brand new pergola, and I'll show you guys outside. And yeah, and I think I might have run through what I plan to do with it at the moment. So it is a bit of a mess because the construction's just finished, but I want to show you guys because it does look absolutely incredible. Hey guys, so I am actually recording this while I am editing, because like recording my voice, because I hadn't realized how poor the audio recording was when I showed you guys the backyard and the pergola. The wind and the outside noise was absolutely horrible. So yeah, this is just me coming to you guys while I am sitting at my desk making the edits. So here it is, guys. I'm so excited to show you. So on this side, we have the privacy screen, which blocks the view of the neighbors because we can see right into their backyard. Up here, we have the beautiful hard pergola, which is just fiberglass panels. And then on the other side, it is met with symmetry. So we have also a privacy screen on that side. And just giving you guys a view here, that is the brand new soft top, and I think it is absolutely stunning. And yeah, just look at that garden. It's quite small, and we have a lot of greenery, so it's really beautiful and we are very happy. But yeah, so here you guys go. You can see this is the pergola, and I think it's quite nice. I think it's really, really beautiful. We're going to have definitely lots of friends over. We're definitely going to have a really nice area to entertain. And that fabric pergola, I think, is just incredible, and I'll show you how it works in a little bit as well. Well, actually, here we go. So I press a button, and then the pergola starts to roll and retract. So you can see when there is lots of light, and you know, maybe you want that light, you can just open it up and you'll have this beautiful open air, open space that you can work with, and look at that beautiful sun. I think it's just gorgeous. And yeah, so now we you can see the whole kind of space. And you know, I'm just going to walk down here to show you guys. This is our backyard. You can see it's a mess right now, but that's because of the construction. And I'm just going to roll it back out so you guys can see. While I'm doing that as well, I just wanted to revisit how small our yard is. I mentioned earlier, oh God, look at that. That is so stunning. But yeah, like our yard is really small, and it's just not enough space for Shadow to run around in and for him to basically have a good time. So yeah, we definitely are very excited to move out further away from the city and have a bigger space. But look at that, how beautiful is that? You know, you have all of that shade there when you need it. When you don't, you can let the sun in. And I think it's just amazing. It blocks the rain, blocks the sunlight when you need it, gives you shade. And yeah, so over there, you know, we're going to probably put some plants there and in that corner, and then also we're going to put the barbecue. So that's kind of the plan. Not sure how that's going to work out. Our barbecue is currently sitting out on the backyard over there. So yeah, we're going to move it back up, put it in that corner. And our table, so that's just a placeholder, it's going to go there. We're going to have a beautiful outdoor dining set, perfect for entertaining, probably a 4 or 6 seater table. We're just going to pop it there. So the shade, it's underneath that beautiful fabric pergola. And then in that little corner here, we're going to have the outdoor sofa as well. So that's going to be really, really good. And yeah, so that's pretty much the pergola. And yeah, I'm really, really excited. We are going to, so I haven't actually started shopping or decorating the outside yet, but that's because we still need to wait for the OC, so the occupational certificate, which is just basically a piece of paper that the I guess you call the certifier, issues to say yes, the construction has been done in accordance with the plans that were approved by your local council. So we've got to wait until that occupation certificate comes out. Once we do, and we can finally then that means that the pergola is officially done and dusted, and yeah, so then I can go and shop for all the different things that I want to buy. So hopefully we'll be able to get a heater as well. So in that corner that I showed you guys where I talked about putting the sofa, I'm going to have a 2-seater sofa and then a 1-seater, and in the corner where the two sofas kind of I guess sit next to each other, right in between them, I'm going to have one of those standing heaters, and I'm going to order that, and I think that's going to be a few $100s as well. But I'm really, really excited for it because it's going to look absolutely amazing. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for today, guys. I don't think I'm going to have really anything else interesting to vlog for you guys. I just thought it would be nice to give you guys a short and sweet update about what's happening, and also show you guys my outfit for today since I am doing something fun. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it. Let me know if you have any comments or feedback down below. I really appreciate that. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.